Hello, fellow investors. This is InvesTips. Today, we'll be going over an app called Wealthsimple Trade. Wealthsimple Trade is a very easy to use app, and it helps you trade stocks and ETFs at a $0 commission fee rate. I really recommend it to beginners because it's just a really easy app to get started with. It's actually the first app I used to get started with investing. So, today I'll be going over the main features of this app, and also I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to use this app. And lastly, I'll be giving you my own referral code. So if you do choose to use this app, you can start off with a $10 bonus. So stick to the end if you do want a $10 bonus off your stocks. Alright, so let's dive right into it. So to get started with the app, we'll go ahead and press the Start Trading button. And then since I already have a login, I'll press the bottom button. And here, it'll bring you to a screen like this, where you can enter your email and password. So I'll go ahead and sign in, and we'll continue the tutorial. After logging in, it will automatically bring you to this page, which is basically your home page. You can see your current portfolio value and your performance over a certain period of time. For example, I can use the buttons at the bottom to see my performance over 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, and so on. You can also scroll between this graph to view the value over time, and it will tell you the time, your portfolio value, and your net deposits. For example, on June 2nd, 2021, my portfolio value was at 1,016.93, and my net deposits were 1,018. Now, if you scroll further down, you can see your portfolio and all the current holdings you own. So take, for example, my Air Canada stock. It's currently at 27 Canadian dollars, which is up $0.06 or 0.22% since the previous close. This is really easy to see how your stocks are doing because it will just tell you all the stocks you currently have and how they're doing in the past day. But you can also view your total value of the stocks. So simply by clicking the button at the top right, it will change between the total value and the current price. So when you're in the total value, it will tell you the total value of that many stocks you have, as well as how much it grew in total and how much you profited. For example, take Air Canada again. All three of my shares are now currently worth 81 Canadian dollars, and it's up 2.79 Canadian dollars or 3.57%. Now, if you scroll down even further, you'll see that I have 3 pending orders because I ordered them during the weekend, and it's currently still the weekend, so my orders will be filled on Monday, and they'll be part of my portfolio by then. So down here, you'll see my money that's available to trade. So I currently have $143.39 available to trade. That means I can spend this money at any time I want, and I won't have to go through transaction and all that type of stuff. So if I just really need to buy one, for example, Apple stock, I can just right away spend this money and my order will be sent. My money that is currently not available means that it's probably in an order that hasn't been filled. So on Monday, when the markets open, this will become not there anymore because the orders have been filled. So if you scroll even further, you'll see the watch list. This is basically all the stocks or ETFs that you choose to add to your watch list. And this is basically a customized list of any stocks that you want to look at. Right now, I don't really have anything special. These are just the stocks that I've been looking at for the past few weeks. And that is basically the home page. If you wanted to buy or sell stocks, a very easy way to do this, if it's already part of your portfolio or your watch list, is if you just simply tap the stock that you want to buy or sell. For example, Air Canada. If it's already in your portfolio, you can just tap it, and it will automatically bring you to this page where you can scroll between the graph, and you can also see all the stats and how much you've gotten in total. And down at the bottom, you can buy or sell that stock, which is really convenient. So if I press sell, I can do market sell, limit sell, or stop limit sell. So these options are pretty nice. But since I'm not going to sell it, I'll go back. But if you want to buy a stock that's currently not in your portfolio, you can hit the search icon at the top right. It'll bring you to this page. And one of the main features here that's pretty nice is the browse stocks feature. So if you're not specifically searching for one stock that you specifically want, you can browse the stocks. For example, the top list, you can see the top 100 on trade, top Canadian stocks, top US stocks, and so on. You can also browse them by categories. So if you really like a specific category of stocks, you can find them here, for example, finance, and it'll tell you the best performing ones here. So that's pretty nice. And if you wanted to specifically look for one specific stock, you can search it on the search bar at the top. So you can search up any stock in the stock market. For example, if I wanted to search up Tesla one, I could search up the Tesla ticker, which is TSLA, and then it'll pop up. And here it's a very convenient graph, just like your portfolio one. You can scroll between it, and it'll also tell you the stats, which is pretty nice. And you can also buy it at the bottom, and that's one of the pretty nice features, is that you can do market buy, limit buy, or stop limit buy. And you can type the amount, but I can't afford that much, so I won't buy that. But that is basically how you sell or buy stocks on Wealthsimple. So the last thing I want to go over with you guys is this head icon on the top left. If you click it, you'll see a whole bunch of different options. So you can see your activity, which is basically all the stuff you did with your money on your account. So there's a lot of stuff there. You can also see the funding. So you can add funds, which is basically money. You can withdraw your money from the account. You can transfer your money. You can do whatever you want here. And you can also add different accounts. So currently I have a personal account. I'm not looking to open a TFSA account anytime soon, so I'm not going to use this. And there's also a settings option where you can change your settings, view them, do whatever you want with them, which is pretty nice. And that's basically it for this head icon. So as I mentioned at the start of the video, there is also a option for your referral code. So if you see this gift icon at the top right next to the search bar, that is your referral code. So if you press invite friends, you can invite them using your referral code, but I'll leave my referral code in the description down below. Basically how this works is if you refer a friend, you get $25 and they also get $10 after they deposit and trade at least $100. So that's pretty sick. It's a really nice feature. So it'd be really nice if you could use my referral code, because we both get money, and honestly, who doesn't want free money? So it'd be really nice, and I'd really appreciate it if you use my referral code. Alright folks, that is it for this week's video. I hope you learned something and I hope you enjoyed it. And please, 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 it would really mean a lot if you used my referral code, and you also get $10. So also don't forget to like and subscribe, because that helps the channel out as well, and I'd really appreciate it. So bye.